Hello, YouTube Mater. So you want to know if you can make money with YouTube automation, copy-pasting others' content, and uploading it to your channel. The idea is obviously motivating, but the real question here is, do people really make money with this lazy strategy? According to thousands of videos on YouTube, it works. However, there are YouTube automation experts who testify that this technique doesn't work anymore. We made all the research needed to keep you from picking a niche that's going to make you lose money and time. And we end up with 3 music to sleep channels, a combination of nature stock footage and relaxing music. Soothing Night, over 100 million in the last year and 2 million views in the last 30 days for a channel launched in 2021. New Meditation Music, 7 million subs in the last 30 days and over 300,000 in the last year from AdSense. Even more impressive, Soothing Relaxation. This channel was launched in the exact same year as New Meditation Music, but it generates millions every single year. These kinds of stats tend to convert more and more YouTube creators to the meditation niche. This comes as no surprise. Receiving a monthly paycheck with this amount of money is the dream of every YouTuber. But when you hear experts discouraging creators from picking this niche, it's normal to feel confused. So, should you start a meditation music channel or not? You'll find a clear answer if you keep watching this video until the end. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe if you're still wondering what niche to pick for your channel. First, what makes people want to give it a try is the simplicity of the videos you're going to create. There is a royalty-free stock footage you can download from platforms like Pixabay and Pexels. It could be rain, a waterfall, or whatever footage suits the meditation topic. Duplicate it until you reach the duration you need for your video. Add some relaxing music, but no copyrighted music. You can find great pieces on YouTube if you filter the search results by ticking Creative Common. Mix everything together in your editing software. And there you are, with the same kind of content you saw in the channels I mentioned above, or almost the same, because making those simple videos is harder than you think. It's all about finding a coherent aesthetic, whether it's for the thumbnail or the video itself. And with all the meditation channels out there, good luck competing with meditation magnets. But the real reason why we don't recommend this niche for a cash cow channel is the incompatibility of this content with placing ads several times in the video. Let's say you have a sleep meditation music channel. The viewer who's going to choose to watch your video will be undeniably bothered by advertisements, especially because he decided to watch the video to relax and sleep faster. So if you count on AdSense to get rich, it's going to be difficult. Plus, YouTube is demonetizing a lot of channels in this niche considering they're not giving real value to the viewer. It seems that the oldest channels in this niche established themselves as authorities. But for a new channel, it's going to be hard to even make YouTube suggest their content, since the competition for meditation and relaxation music keywords is very high. The second tip you should follow is to avoid buying your videos from Fiverr, especially gigs optimized for meditation. Why? Because chances are those editors are selling similar videos to different buyers, and you'll be one of them. The video you'll order might not be the exact same copy of another one already published on YouTube, but it could be close enough to put your channel right at the duplicate content case. And this is the main reason why YouTube demonetizes even channels with thousands, if not millions, of subscribers. So the answer, if the meditation niche is profitable, is yes, if you create original content and stick with the project for long enough to establish your channel in front of your competitors. You must realize, as we say in almost every video in YouTubemation, you can't cheat your way to success. Instead of looking for shortcuts, focus on making content people would love to watch over and over again. And if you want a monetization strategy that's suitable for this niche, use affiliate marketing to generate significant revenue and catch an existing audience that's going to enjoy getting lost in the meditation session without being interrupted by ads. We left the best tip at the end of this video as an exclusive bonus for you, YouTuber. If you want to create a meditation channel and make it successful, you'll have to create an engaging script. Guided meditation videos are a tremendous success on YouTube. Look at this channel. Michael Seeley managed to gather more than 1 million subscribers by writing his own texts, hypnotizing, structured, and meditative scripts that make this channel's success far from an accident. Now, you all have the information you need to decide if this niche is made for you or not. Before watching the next video, subscribe right now.